Do you want to know how to make this delicious, flavorful beef fried rice? Then you came to this perfect video. So let's get started. As always, all the ingredients will be in link in description. First of all, you want to start by dicing your beef. I'm just showing you guys on a tiny piece of beef and I'm just cutting it very tiny. This is very quick recipe, so to make it quicker, cut your beef very tiny, but you can leave it big if you want. It should look like this. I washed my beef as well. You also need 2 onions, a Scotch bonnet and 4 garlic cloves. I only use 1.5 of onions, but you can add more if you like. Everything should look like this, diced. You're gonna add in some oil in your pan and then you're gonna fry it till translucent. Once it's fried till translucent, then you wanna add in your garlic and your Scotch bonnet. The Scotch bonnet is very optional. But if you do like a bit of spice, I really do recommend. Now you're gonna add in your beef. And you're just gonna stir it in to the onions. Once that's done, then you're gonna add in all of your seasonings, which will be all in description. Half a teaspoon of everyday seasoning, half a teaspoon of barbecue seasoning, and half a teaspoon of meat seasoning. Now you're gonna add in some salt, paprika, black pepper, and a bit of a ground mixed spice. All of these seasonings you can get from your local shop, but I really recommend going to an African style shop. You will get all of those seasonings. Once you've given everything a good stir, you want to let this cook for around 15 to 20 minutes, just until it's very nice and cooked. You can taste the meat halfway through 15 minutes and just see if it's cooked. Once cooked, set it aside from the heat and let's get started on the eggs. So I have 4 eggs here and I'm going to add in just salt and pepper and you're just going to give it a good whisk and you're just going to fry it off till it's scrambled. I will show you how it is in the video. Add in some oil to a pan and fry your eggs. Just fry them till they're scrambled. Once the eggs are cooked, add the meat back on heat and then add in your eggs and then your already cooked rice. So it should be left over. Try and use already cooked rice from like maybe the night before. It just makes it better. But if you want, you can cook it. And you're gonna just give it a mix. Don't worry, we've not finished here. Now you're gonna add in soy sauce. This is what ties all the flavors together. So just add as much as you like to your taste, because some people like less, and you're just going to give it a very, very good mix. Once everything is well mixed, you're going to add in any veggies of your choice. I'm adding bell peppers. It should be like this, perfect and fluffy and delicious and flavorful. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I served mine with plantain. See you guys in the next one. Bye.